Okay, so what you're saying, you come out of there, and somehow you get down through this rock, down into there. Yeah. And you probably can get down through that, but it's dark down there, but you get down there to the water. Oh, way down here. Yeah, that's not very big. Yeah, right. And this is one of the first. She's the nut. She also has swum and ran. There we go. Thanks. What is it? It looks like 7:59 on camera. That is definitely not the case. Anyways, we're here at Shell filling up the F10. We've had a great day. I went up to the shop today and did some work. My dad took my aunt and uncle, dirty lens, to the San Diego Safari Park, which is where Jeff and I went last week, so I didn't feel the need to head back over there again. So I got some work done. He did that. Then we met up, went back to the house, showed them some updates to the house and landscaping out back and the new bathroom and all that. Got to see Peanut. And then over to Duke's in La Jolla for dinner. It is just about 10 o'clock. We're dead. They've all got to get up tomorrow at like 5:30 because they're taking a train ride actually up the coast to, I think, Santa Barbara tomorrow. So my dad's taking them to the train station early tomorrow morning. I am going to sleep in, and then tomorrow's shop day, getting back into the swing of things. We've got a lot of work to do up there, including figuring out where the heck the wheels for the white car are. They were due on Tuesday and tomorrow's Friday, and we still have not heard anything. So I'm going to end today here from the M5. It just hit 14,000 miles, or maybe it's about to hit 14,000 miles. It is at 14,000 miles. Little baby. Good night.